I warmly welcome you to this space and the impactful prayer that awaits your participation. Kindly pause for a moment to attentively absorb the unfolding prayer. Dedicate yourself to the wisdom it imparts, reciting it with honesty and entirety, and you'll soon observe remarkable outcomes. Money in your hands prayer. Divine Presence, I stand before you, ready and willing to lay bare my identity and my current state. I am prepared to embrace the very essence of abundance, a gift extended to those who dare to place their trust. With my heart fully open, I welcome the potential that this gift holds for my journey. I, existing in the shadows, unseen and unacknowledged, seek not validation but rather the unveiling of the destined treasure. I am here, poised to receive my name, spoken clearly, and the reality of this moment I inhabit, I lay before you. As I anticipate the solution that your benevolent gift promises, I humbly share my truth. Your omnipotent influence transcends the limits of perception, reaching the places beyond the scope of human sight. Your perception extends beyond the realm of mortal hearing, attuned to whispers hidden from our senses. Your will, a beacon of transformation, possesses the power to awaken the dormant compass within me. I implore you, bestow upon me the long-awaited treasure, and grant me the opportunity to reshape the course of my life. In this moment, I stand as a nameless soul, existing in the unnoticed spaces, self-reliant and self-assured. I, a seeker of the concealed riches within your providence, offer my complete identity and current existence for your understanding. My genuine aspirations for financial blessings, I express earnestly. I await the fulfillment that your generous offering holds, and I openly share my truth. Your influence extends beyond human perception, your ears attuned to truths that others fear to voice. Your will, a force of rejuvenation, breaks through the stagnation that has held me. It is done, the seal is shattered. This prayer stands unshaken, aligned with your divine will, devoid of doubt at its core. We unite our voices once again, reaffirming this entreaty and amplifying its strength through our shared intention. To those who have been patiently awaiting this moment, my words are directed. I am ready, poised to declare my identity and status, embracing the unwavering belief in the abundance that awaits those with faith. I stand prepared to accept the destined riches that lie before me, the concealed treasures awaiting discovery. Amen.
Type Amen if you feel abundant. Watch this important message right now.